that looks good. Hey!
Today, we're taking a look at the Roborock Saros Z70. Big thanks to Roborock for sending us this unit, but as always, all opinions are our own. If you're interested, you'll find a purchase link in the description below. We actually got our first hands-on experience with the Z70 back in April when Roborock invited us to an exclusive event in New York City ahead of the official launch. It was our first time using the Omnigrip robotic arm, designed to pick up small items like socks, towels, and slippers, and place them into designated storage zones. The event gave us a deeper appreciation for just how far Roborock is pushing smart home robotics. And we've been eagerly waiting ever since to get the Z70 into our studio for more in-depth testing. Let's dive into the unboxing. We have the silver model here, but it also comes in black. Inside the box, you'll find the vacuum itself, a multi-purpose station ramp, gray power cord, an extra dust bag with one pre-installed, a designated storage bin, 2 magnetic mop pads, and various pieces of product literature, including a massive quick start guide. Setup is simple. Snap the station ramp and mop pads into place, plug it in, let it charge, and fill the clean water and solution tanks. That's it, you're ready to go. After our first cleaning run, the Z70 picked up exactly what you'd expect it in a home with 5 people. 3 with long hair and a long-haired dog. Hair crumbs, dirt, and fine dust. One thing we noticed right away was the different roller brush used on the Z70 compared to the Saros 10 and 10R. Instead of the Duo Divide rollers, the Z70 features a hair cutting brush. While we prefer the Duo Divide, its conical shape has been the most effective design we've tested for preventing hair tangles. The cut brush still performed well. After the run, only a few stray fibers were left on the brush, and it looked like they would be trimmed off during the next cleaning cycle. That said, we're curious why the Duo Divide was left off this model and hope to see it included in future versions. The star of the show and what truly sets the Z70 apart is the Omnigrip, a robotic arm that can identify, pick up, and place small objects around your home. At launch, it automatically recognizes 5 item types: socks, small towels, tissue paper, and sandals or slippers, all under 300 grams. For everything else, you can use Roborock's clever remote control to pick up mode, which provides a live camera feed and joystick-style controls for precise manual operation. Users can set up dedicated storage zones in the Roborock app, including the included Roborock storage box and a designated shoe storage area. These zones tell the Z70 exactly where to place collected items. The robot supports 2 item handling modes: automatic sorting and manual sorting. In automatic sorting, the Z70 picks up recognized items like socks and dust cloths during cleaning and drops them in the storage box. Slippers and shoes are sorted after cleaning is complete and dropped in the storage area. Manual sorting lets users review flagged items post-cleaning and choose what gets sorted. There's also follow-up cleaning, a smart feature that moves lightweight objects like socks, shoes, or paper balls out of the way so the Z70 can clean underneath. And if you ever want full control, the remote control pickup mode lets you do everything manually. I've really enjoyed using the robotic arm and seeing the early potential of this technology. While its current capabilities are somewhat limited, it marks the beginning of an exciting leap forward in intelligent home robotics. I'd love to see more granular control, like assigning specific storage zones, box versus area for individual items, and eventually the ability to train the system to recognize custom objects around the house, such as kids' toys, pet items, or my own shoes. Imagine optional accessories like a magnet, hook, or scoop to expand its functionality even further. Roborock has shared that more improvements are on the way this summer, including support for sports shoes, better object placement, and smarter item sorting logic that prioritizes shoes before resuming cleaning. They will also continue to address early issues like missed drops, navigation glitches while carrying items, and added support for customizable obstacle recognition. To their credit, Roborock has been refreshingly transparent about current limitations. The Z70 can't pick up socks from carpet, can't cross thresholds while holding items, and struggles with very small, flat, shiny, or dark-colored objects due to sensor constraints. The robotic arm also moves slowly by design, and while the rated load is 300 grams, it can actually handle up to 700 grams. The Omnigrip represents a major step forward, and it's clear the best is yet to come. With over 100 robot vacuums tested, we're evaluating the Z70 against our established benchmarks, and it lands squarely in flagship territory. Priced at the top of Roborock's lineup, it surpasses previous flagships like the Saros 10 and 10R, largely due to the added premium for the Omnigrip. Someone's got to pay for all that R&D. Shout out to the early adopters. At this price point, we expect elite performance, and the Z70 delivers. Suction is rated at 22,000 pascals, the highest we've seen from Roborock or any vacuum we've tested. Airflow hit an impressive 8.2 CFM, beating both the 10 and 10R. In our real-world suction test, it outperformed the average by over 40 FPM. On our ultimate benchmark, the carpet deep clean test, the Saros 10 scored a near-perfect 95 out of 100, and the Z70 is right in that same tier. Despite its power, it runs just 1 decibel louder than average, a difference most users won't notice. Another standout, the Z70 can fully detach its mop pads at the dock when cleaning carpet, a rare and highly effective feature for protecting soft flooring. One trade-off, however, is its smaller onboard dustbin. To make space for the robotic arm, bin capacity is well below average. With the self-emptying system, this isn't a deal breaker, but it does mean more frequent trips to the dock. Finally, the multifunctional dock is one of the most capable we've seen. It handles self-emptying, mop washing and drying, solution dispensing, and even full station cleaning. It boasts the hottest water temps we've seen, and drying performance is above average. While the auto solution dispensing is plus, it's a bit of a letdown that no cleaning solution is included in the box. Available on both iOS and Android, the Roborock app is powerful, intuitive, and feature-rich. You can choose between whole room, room-specific, zone, or scheduled cleanings, and fine-tune everything from suction power to scrubbing intensity, water flow, and path behavior. It supports multi-floor mapping, customizable no-go zones, and full control of the dock, letting you manually trigger dustbin emptying, mop washing, and drying cycles. Smart Assistant support is built for Amazon, Apple, and Google, alongside Roborock's own voice assistant, Hello Rocky. Security-minded users can also enable remote patrol mode and live viewing. One unique touch, the robotic arm has its own built-in camera, giving you a never-before-seen stealing view of your home, something no other vacuum offers. From the live view, you can also launch remote control pickup with full manual control of the robotic arm and its joints. Additional features include Matter support, off-peak charging, and a dedicated deep carpet cleaning mode. The app's interface is clean, user-friendly, and highly customizable. Don't just take our word for it. User reviews average 4.6 stars on Android and 4.8 stars on iOS. So how is the Saros Z70 being received? It currently holds a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, with users praising its sleek design, quiet operation, and ability to fit under low-profile furniture. The robotics arm manual control feature, improved obstacle avoidance, and solid build quality are also frequently highlighted. On the downside, some customers point to the high price, limited functionality of the arm at launch, and concerns about long-term durability. The inclusion of a robotic arm introduces more moving parts, which naturally raises questions about wear and tear over time. Even top-tier models have areas to improve. Like the 10 and 10R, the Z70's obstacle avoidance on carpet was only average in our tests, though it performed noticeably better on hard floors. The same applies to the robotic arm's item recognition, much more consistent on hard surfaces than on carpet. Price is another consideration. It's undeniably expensive, but that's the trade-off for being on the bleeding edge of smart home robotics. Early adopters know the drill. Personally, my biggest gripe isn't the arm's limited early functionality, but the absence of the duo divide brush. While the haircut brush is solid, I expect the absolute best in a top-of-the-line model. I'd also like to see improvements to the FlexiArm riser brush. It works fine, but I wish it extended further and was more aggressive, especially for cleaning into corners where coverage still feels just shy of fully complete. The Roborock Saros Z70 isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a bold step towards a smarter, more interactive home. While it's not without early limitations, the introduction of the Omnigrip robotic arm signals a major leap in what we can expect from home robotics in the years ahead. Between its class-leading suction, advanced dock, and feature-rich app, the Z70 delivers flagship performance with future-facing innovation. Yes, it comes at a premium, but for those willing to be on the cutting edge, it offers a glimpse of what's next. If Roborock continues on this trajectory, we're not just talking about cleaner floors, we're talking about truly intelligent home assistants.